Hello, you're gonna do problem 90 from college algebra, and so we have this problem here, and based on a question, we know that DP gives us a number of items that they're demanding for, and the price is P. So what do we do here? So P would be the price, and if we plug it into DP, into the function, we can find out the number of items that we need. So that is what DP means. The number of items being demanded for, more precisely. And what is CX? So CX is a production cost, and X, if we plug in X, we can find the production cost, and